Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Polo 1.0 TSI R-Line, finished in a smoky grey metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and automatic transmission, perfect for a sporty first car. This vehicle comes equipped with electric folding door mirrors for added protection when parked, with automatic LED headlights that great visibility especially at night. Sat on stunning 17-inch Bergamo alloy wheels. Moving into the boot area with a great space of 351 litres, perfect for your necessities or weekend trips away. Moving into the rear seats with a full cloth upholstery offering a relaxing and comfortable finish with checkered patternwork down the centre for a sporty feeling, followed by 2 charging ports accessible from the back. Moving into the front with a multifunctioning steering wheel and central touch display, the cloth finish follows through to the front, allowing luxury and comfortable driving experience, with the check pattern down the centre and the embroidered R below the headrest for a racing look. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. The assist systems are also here to help out and available whilst on the open road. Onto the central infotainment system, you've got a variety of different radio stations that you can choose from that will keep you entertained along your journeys. You've got access to your navigation system, so it makes getting directions a lot easier and safer whilst driving. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car, so you can access apps such as Spotify, Apple Music, or your text messages whilst on the go. For your extra safety, you've got your parking sensors, which are perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks. Your climate controls will be found on the screen. Here you can customise the temperature to your liking. You also have access to your manual climate controls below the screen. Here you can access your heated seats for them colder months. Following on with your central console with charging ports, wireless charger, cup holders and a central console armrest for any extra storage you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.